Hi, and welcome to BPL Makes, Facemasks. In this quick tutorial, we will be showing you how to make your own cloth face mask on your own sewing machine. The materials are common, the steps are simple, and the results look great. Let's get started. First, let's look at what you'll need. You will need some fabric. We use 2 different colors to make it easier to distinguish when putting them together. Ribbon, templates for part A and B, which you can download from a link in the description. Some chalk, or pretty much anything you can use to mark your material. Some scissors and pins. Of course, you will also need a sewing machine. Once you've gathered all you need, it's time to begin. First, we need to cut our pieces. Grab the template for part A and trace it out 2 times on your fabric. Once you have traced both pieces, go ahead and cut them out. Do the same with your template for part B, remembering to trace 2 pieces and then cutting them out. Next, let's cut the ribbon. We will need 4 pieces of 16-inch lengths each. Great! Now we've got all our parts ready to begin assembling our mask. The first thing we'll do is take both pieces of part A and put them together facing each other. We are going to stitch them together on the rounded edge. Next, we'll take the straight edges and we're going to sew a small hem on each edge. We'll now take the pieces of part B and do the same as part A, sewing the rounded edges together first and then hemming the straight edges. Make sure part B has turned inside out so that the hem is on the inside of part B while part A sits on part B with the hem showing. Pin the halves together for easier sewing. Now we can stitch both halves of the mask to each other. Stitch only the long edges together. Then, turn the whole piece inside out through the pocket created. Now, beginning on one corner, attach your ribbon and sew a stitch all the way around the piece. As you do so, attach a ribbon at each corner of the masks. For a better fit, try sewing a pipe cleaner along the top edge of the mask. Once this is done, your mask is complete. Just tie the ribbon on the back and you are done. We hope you enjoy our BPL Makes episode. Please subscribe for more Brownsville Public Library videos and click the little bell icon for notifications of when our new videos come out. Thanks again for watching.